Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. How are you today? I want to introduce myself. My name is Eka Murniati. I am 32 years old. I was born in Banyumas 3, August 1993. I come from Central of Java, Indonesia. My last education is senior high school. My weight is 60 kg. My height is 161 cm. I am Muslim. I am married. I have one children. I have experienced work before in Jakarta 2 years from 2023 until 2025. My job is take care children, housekeeping, and cooking. I can cook simple Indonesian food like fried chicken, soup, fried rice, and fried noodle. I'm not eat pork because I'm Muslim, but I can cook and handle pork. I'm afraid of dog. I won't go to Singapore because I need more money for my family and my best future. I promise I will hard work, obedient, honest, and finish contract for 2 years or more. I hope mom and Cher choose me. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Cher.